How to close Milestone credit card. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can close Milestone credit card. So let's get started with the video. Firstly, ensure that your balance is fully paid off. You cannot close the account if there is an outstanding balance. And if your Milestone card offers rewards, make sure to redeem them before closing the account, as you might lose them after the account is closed. Once you have confirmed this, you want to contact the customer service. For that, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner, then head over to customer service option and then tap on FAQ. Here you will have the information to contact the customer service. Here you want to contact this given number and then inform the representative that you want to close your credit card account. Also ask for the written confirmation that your account has been closed. This can be sent via email or regular mail. After a few weeks, you want to check your credit card report to ensure that your account is reported as closed. This helps confirm that the account has been processed correctly. And with that, your Milestone credit card will be closed. That's it for the video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.